Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best toddler swim vests that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Body Glove Paddle Pals Learn to Swim. This vest has an integrated and adjustable shoulder harness with quick release clips at the rear. This prevents your child from undoing the swim vest and taking it off by themselves. The integrated vest and armbands design is great for teaching your child to swim. It's also not too restrictive so they can enjoy playing in the water. Meanwhile, the soft material prevents the under-chin rub, experienced with some other vests. It is specifically designed for general boating activities and for use in or near water, ensuring maximum safety and security for your child. From bright and bold colors to fun and playful graphic designs, you can choose a design that your child will love to wear. Moving on at number 4, we have Stearns Original Puddle Jumper. This puddle jumper from Stearns is printed with its U.S. Coast Guard approval on the side. This makes it suitable for all places, such as water parks and public pools that require children to wear a USCG-approved device. A back buckle on the vest prevents your child from removing it unaided, and the strap for the closure is adjustable for a snug fit. Meanwhile, the armbands provide plenty of support for newbie swimmers. At number 3, we have Splashabout Learn to Swim Vests. The makers of the Splashabout Go Splash swim vests make up for the fact they are not adjustable by making 3 sizes available. The smallest size, for 1 to 2-year-olds, covers those from 22 to 35 pounds. That makes it an excellent option for the smaller toddlers who may not yet be big enough for some other swim vests. Designed by swim experts at Splashabout, the swim vest is the most popular Learn to Swim product of the year. This fantastic product is a lightweight, more portable alternative to the original float jacket. Perfect to take on holiday to use in the pool or sea. Manufactured to the highest quality standards, the Splashabout Go Splash swim vest is made from quick-drying, high-quality neoprene. At number 2, we have Speedo Kids Begin to Swim Vest. Speedo is one of the most popular makers of swimming gear and accessories, and their child line is just as popular as the stuff they sell for the most seasoned competitive swimmer. We love their swim goggles for kids, water shoes for toddlers, and just about everything else they make. In the case of our youngest swimmers, their swim vest, the Speedo Kids Begin to Swim Classic Swim Vest. Speedo has developed a comfortable and adjustable vest for kids from 2 to 6 years of age. The Speedo swim vest is opened and closed from the front and has an additional Velcro clasp at the top to keep the vest on while in the water. Made with a soft neoprene, the vest gives the child plenty of arm and leg mobility while also featuring a safety strap that wraps around the bottom of the child to keep it secured. And finally at number 1, Stearns Infant Classic Series Vest. This durable, Coast Guard approved life jacket is a bargain that doesn't skimp on protection. Designed for little ones under 30 pounds, multiple reviewers said this jacket came to the rescue when their toddler unexpectedly ended up in the water. One reviewer with 14-month-old twins said the jacket immediately turned them onto their backs with the head support. I even tried tilting them in different ways, and same result every time. It has adjustable straps at the chest and crotch, as well as a large handle for quickly grabbing kids in the water. The jacket has low-cut armholes, offering the security of a fully closed vest and the comfort of a more open-sided model. While it has enough padding for kids who can't swim, reviewers said their kids didn't mind wearing it and many napped in it. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.